we have created a trip planning app. In this app we can add vehicles, and we can enter source and destination location, and all the estimated cost will appear for our trip. So let's add vehicle, and for adding vehicle we have to log in first, and we can also continue without login. For that we have to enter fuel consumption for our vehicle, so that we can calculate the fuel cost. So we will go with the login, and we can log in using Facebook, and also we can log in using Google, and also with email. So we will go with email, and we will sign up. Enter full name here. So now we will receive a email verification link. Without that we cannot log in to this account. So here's the verification email link, and we can verify our email by tapping on this link, and the email is verified. Now we can log into this account. Also we have a forgot password option. We can enter our email here, and then we will submit, and the reset password link will be sent to our email address. So now I have another email, reset your password, and I have the link here, but I don't want to reset my password. Login. So we are now logged into our app, and now we will log in using Google. And we can also log in using Facebook, but I don't want to go with Facebook, so I am login in using the Google account. And now here we will add some vehicles. So we can add using registration number DR27336. So the vehicle is added, and this data is coming from API, and we have also fuel consumption stored for this vehicle, which is not shown here, but it is stored, so that we can calculate the fuel cost. And also we can add vehicle by entering details if it is not available in the API. So let's add just by entering fact details and vehicle name and fuel consumption for this, and the vehicle is added. We can also delete vehicle, and now tap on this card. Now we can enter source and destination location here, and also a card type, and we have also a banner ad appearing here. And here we have used Places API, which is a paid API provided by Google, and this app is for the Norway client. So I have restricted the search to only search within the Norway, but if we want we can search all over the world, and we can add any country also. So we will enter here source location and also a destination location, and now click next. So the route is shown here with a distance and time, and for this we have used directions API, which is again a paid API provided by Google, and we can switch these routes also. There is a button at the top right corner, and we have source and destination location here, and just by tapping at the show cost we can we will be able to see the estimated cost for this route. and estimated cost is 1.14 NOK, which is again a currency of Norway. And we will go for a new calculation now. Maybe enter some address which has toll cost. That route has no tolls between. So this is a long distance, maybe this one has some tolls. Yes, it has. So here tolls API is also used to calculate the tolls along the route, toll cost along the route, and fuel cost. And for fuel cost, we have implemented the fuel API, from which we are getting the current price of the fuel, and based on the vehicle fuel consumption, we are calculating the fuel cost, and toll cost is coming directly from the API, and we have listed shown here the estimated cost for this route. So this is all about this app, and but that's it. And the technologies used in this app are Flutter and Firebase, and this app works perfectly fine on both Android and iOS, and soon they will be uploaded to Play Store and App Store also. And other than that, we have used the Google Places API, Google Directions API, and the vehicle registration API, and fuel API and toll API for getting the data. And also we have added the AdMob, Google AdMob ads in it. There are two ads in this app, one is banner ad and the other one is interstitial. uh, that's all about the technologies that we have used in this app.